Can Oblique Seville be the next Jamaican sprint legend to conquer both the 100 and 200 meters? With jaw-dropping performances and a burning ambition to reclaim Jamaica's sprinting glory, his journey in the 2024 season is one you can't miss. The island of Jamaica can be considered the sprint capital of the world because of the exciting performances by their athletes on the international circuit. The women seem to be more consistent than the men. However, the generation of male sprinters including Asafa Powell, Michael Frater, Usain Bolt, Yohan Blake, and Nesta Carter garnered more attention because of their consistency and ability to please the crowd. All these men are now retired except Yohan Blake. The goal for any athlete who does both the 100 meters and 200 meters is to run consistently below the 10.00 seconds barrier and run under the magical sub-20 barrier in the 200 meters. For most of his career, Usain Bolt was the man achieving that feat season after season. But since his retirement, no other Jamaican man has been able to run world-class times in the 100 meters and 200 meters within the same season. It's only recently do we see the like of Usain Thompson, who is having a remarkable year in the 100 meters, clocking 9.84 and 9.77 seconds during the Jamaican Olympic trials in Kingston, and is now placing him joint 9th on the world all-time list. It was on May 21, 2022, Oblique Seville gave the world a shock as out of nowhere, he ran his first sub-10 100 meters at the J3A SDF Jubilee Series 2.1. This performance had fans in a frenzy that Oblique Seville would have been the man to bring back glory to Jamaican male sprinting. Seville continued his consistency by running consistent sub-10 100 meters and managed to place 4th at the Eugene World Championship with 9.97 seconds. Despite not earning a medal, this was quite an encouraging performance from Oblique Seville because a year prior, he placed 10th in the event at the Tokyo Olympics. Oblique Seville and his coach Glenn Mills, Usain Bolt's former coach, decided to end his season and focus on the Budapest World Championship for 2023. Seville's early 2023 season was a bit fluctuating because he was running between 9.9 seconds and 10.1 seconds. To make things worse, he barely made the 100 meters team for the Budapest World Championship as he placed 3rd in a quite competitive race at the Jamaican National Championship. In the first round of the 100 meters at the World Championship, Oblique Seville equaled his personal best of 9.86 seconds and followed up that performance with 9.90 seconds in his semi-final. The final was quite an open one because the reigning champion America's Fred Curley was absent. Oblique Seville got a credible start and tried to go with the field with a late surge at the end. But this was not to be as he ran 9.88 seconds to finish 4th just outside the medals. Seville's face was filled with disappointment, and he acted brave as he did his interviews. One of the main concerns that fans had with Oblique Seville since making his debut at the Olympics is that he never competed on the international circuit outside of a major championship. To dispel this notion, Coach Mills decided to place Seville in a few 100 meters on the Continental Tour circuit, with his best time being 10.00 seconds to end his season. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Oblique Seville entered the 2024 season with a lot of frustration, and he would like to become the first Jamaican man since Usain Bolt's retirement to mount the podium at the Olympics. So far, he has shocked the world running a 400 meters personal best of 47.44 seconds at the Camperdown Classic, and an even more shocking 200 meters personal best of 20.17 seconds at the Velocity Fest 14. His 200 meters personal best is more impressive than his 400 meters because it gives a clear indication that he can run under that magical sub-20 barrier. After his 200 meters performance, fans were quite stunned when he said he may strictly focus on the 100 meters at the Jamaican Olympic trials and not both events. Most fans would want to see Oblique Seville create history by running sub-10 and sub-20 in the season. And so far, he seems to be the most suitable Jamaican man to achieve that feat. Will he reconsider doing both the 100 meters and 200 meters this season? Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which race are you most excited to see him compete in at the Olympics? And how do you think he will perform in Paris? Let us know in the comments below. If you're enjoying this video, please share it with your friends, like it, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update for the 2024 Paris Olympics. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.